Hey YouTube, I'm done with all that cold start BS. My hands got so cold from that stuff. That was insane. It's not super cold. Like I'd totally camp in this weather. That's like 6 Fahrenheit. Like there's no bugs, no people. Me and the brother-in-law do it quite often. I'm gonna start reassembling this a little bit. Still waiting for parts. They were supposed to be here today from Amazon, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to actually ask for a refund because I actually paid extra for fast shipping, and you know, it's so easy to get refunds from Amazon these days. It's just going to happen. So we are going to put this together, and I'm going to pause it because it's going to be a time lapse. Speed up the video. Wear my hat so people don't think I'm bald or anything. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I got the cylinder back on. That's about all I'm going to do today because I'm waiting for the fuel line and some other crap. There's a proper spark plug for that thing. Yeah, it's coming along. The parts were supposed to be in today, but they're not. Checking the porting. Make sure everything looks kosher. No cylinder to be seen on the exhaust port, which is good. Yeah, I can put the muffler back on. Yeah, might as well do that. Where are the bolts for the muffler? There's one. There's the other one. So the muffler can go back on, and like I said, did the mod, I got these two pieces of 1/2-inch tubing just to prevent the muffler from collapsing, which is a good idea if you do a muffler mod. Some people don't do this, but if you don't do this, the muffler heats up. If you keep removing it, it's going to start to crack from metal fatigue. Take it from one who knows, because I do know. Custom metal fabrication is kind of my thing. I'm a journeyman tin basher, but I don't do the HVAC side. I'm kind of above that. I don't bash tin. I do custom metal fab, and they pay me really well for doing it. It's like a pile of shit. It's more gooder. It's much more gooder than bash tin, but I can't speak. Well, I don't bash tin, but I need that deflector. Yeah. Still want the deflector because I just tapped these flats, so the deflector's gonna go on. I painted this with the Rattle Can Special Chrome. So that's gonna hit. I need to adjust that slightly. Hammer. Better. Okay, so tighten up the muffler. Yeah, this muffler's gonna be badass on this thing. Even on a side job, I should start modding mufflers for people because I do a good job maybe with factory. I like the factory look. Like you look at that Poulan Pro 330 I got from Novice Lumberjack. It had the side port. But in his video, saying how the older ones have the front port and like a bit of a shield on the one side. So I kind of mimicked that, so it still looks factory, but it's got the 2 ports, one in the front and one on the side. And it worked out well. I like that side. I'll play with it more. I need to tune it better. But yeah, I might get a new piston for it. So pistons are cheap for that thing. Okay, so we got the muffler, and that's about all I can do today. Because I'm not actually not sure. I can probably put. I should put that on first, probably. But okay, this guy can go back on too. Actually, I might wait on that because yeah, I should have gone first. No, we'll put it on now. Where are my? There. My torque. My assortment of torque bits. I almost bought a chain grinder today. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass now. I almost bought a chain grinder today. Princess Auto here in Canada, which Princess Auto, that's kind of like it's kind of like Harbor Freight. I did a chain grinder for like 44 bucks Canadian. They always have good sales. I would have bought when I went there. I stopped by there, but they were out of stock, so I could have got a rain check or something, but fuck that. Okay, this is gonna be a pain in the ass because I don't. Fuck, I should have put that on before. I really should have put that on before. If you take one of these apart, put this piece on before you put the cylinder in, because it's gonna be a pain. It's not impossible. I'll manage, but still. It's going to be a bit of a pain. I'll put the one in for now. Hopefully I can find a hex key. Yeah, I fucked up here. But I have to live with it, so I'm going to just live with it. Make do. It's probably too small. Find an Allen key that kind of fits in there. I'll be fine. Okay, this is stupid. Hopefully I can find something. Kind of the right size. Maybe that's the right size. It is the right size. So, if I can find that and that and that and this and that, make something work, break something up. What can I do here to make this work? I know somewhere around here I have a small branch that accepts these little bits. I'll pause you guys for a bit. Okay, so I'm just making do with what I have. Like I said, if you have one of these, put this on before you put the cylinder on, because otherwise this turned into a complete pain in the ass. I still need to tighten that up a little more. I'm not sure how, because I have a tool that would do this, but I don't know where the frick it is. So that won't get in there. Maybe it will. Try. No. Okay, I'll pause you guys a bit. So while you guys were gone, there was a lot of swearing. Like, I mean a lot of swearing, but finally got something figured out. And like I said, if you do this, put this on before you put the cylinder in, because for fuck's sakes, more swearing. Okay. Just need to tighten that one torque down there. That's all I need. That's all I'm asking from you. It's like 2 clicks to go on the ratchet here. Okay, that got it. Like, wow. What a stupid little problem. But anyways, that's where I'm getting tonight, because I do have a different carburetor coming for it, a Chinese one. I'm going to try it on there. Crazy Feller said the linkage sometimes is not the greatest, but I'll give it a go. I just don't like these stupid splined, you can see that, these spline adjustment screws. I do not like those, so I'll try and get rid of that. But yeah, it is coming along despite all the swearing. But anyways, take it easy, YouTube. I'll see you tomorrow. Probably post some more short videos about the cold starts, and they're like, the method behind that the madness behind the method behind the madness. Either way, so to get subscribers, I find if I post shorts at 10 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, where on the East Coast that'd be noon, people are taking lunch breaks, maybe more on YouTube, and then it compounds there, because then as the time zones change, you keep getting views for about 3 hours till it's about 1 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, and that's when it's lunchtime on Pacific Standard Time. But that's my little theory, and it seems to work. But anyways, take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye.